Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics, grade 5. Hope all of you are fine and doing regular studies at home. My dear student, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, and the lesson 1, that is polygons. Our today's topic is polygons. These are in pages 904 and 905. First of all, open page 904. In this page, you can see example number 3. There are some shapes are given. Polygon. First one is triangle. Regular triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. And not regular triangle is a triangle in which three sides are not equal. After that we have quadrilateral. Any four-sided figure is called quadrilateral. If the sides are equal, all sides are equal, this is regular quadrilateral. And all sides are not equal, it is not regular. After that we have pentagon. Any five-sided figure is called pentagon. All five sides are equal, it is a regular pentagon. All five sides are not equal, different in sizes, we can say it not regular pentagon. Hexagon, a figure or a shape which has 6 equal sides, is a regular hexagon. But a shape 6 sides with 6 sides not equal all sides, we can say it is not regular hexagon. And the last shape is octagon. Any 8-sided figure is called octagon. If all the 8 sides are equal, it is a regular octagon. And all 8 sides are not equal, we can say this as a not regular octagon. Now come to the guided practice. Question number 1. Name the polygon. A polygon has been drawn, you can see in the figure. Determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. We can see that all the sides are equal. The polygon has 8 sides. The side appears to be congruent. Congruent means all are equal. It is a regular octagon because it has 8 sides. Now in page number 905, identify structure, name each polygons, determine if it appears to be a regular or not regular. Polygons are given, my dear students, some in this page. Question number 2, you have seen that 4-sided. Therefore, question number 2, 4-side, it is a quadrilateral. Any 4-sided figure is called quadrilateral, and all sides are equal, that is regular. And number 3, it is a 6-sided figure. You can count all the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. It is a hexagon, and all sides are not equal. We can say it is not regular. Number 4, it is a square, 4-sided figure. Any 4-sided figure is called quadrilateral, and all sides are equal. we can say it is a regular quadrilateral. Number 5, it is an 8-sided figure. You can count the sides. There are 8 sides. So in the given place we will write octagon and all sides are equal. It is a regular octagon. Now my dear students, we have some homework. In page number 905, you have to solve from question number 6 to 9. Draw each polygon. Number 6, triangle not regular. You will draw a triangle in which all sides will be not equal, so it will become not regular triangle. Number 7, pentagon not regular. Pentagon is a 5-sided figure. You will draw any shape which have 5 sides and all will not be in same size, and in this way you can draw pentagon with 5 sides and not regular. 8, quadrilateral. Any 4-sided figure is called quadrilateral. You will draw 4-sided figure and all sides will not be the same size. It will be not regular. Number 9, triangle. You will draw a triangle. They are telling that regular, all sides of the triangle should be of the same size, then it will be a regular triangle. In page number 907, question number 1, a shape is given. Question number 2, also a shape is given. You will use the knowledge of page number 905 and you will solve accordingly. Thank you very much for understanding the lesson and watching the lesson. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.